Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to hide following list on TikTok using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. First of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your TikTok app and go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. And just go ahead and click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen and click on Settings and Privacy. By the way, there's no specific settings for hiding your following list. What you can do is to set your account to a private account. So now just go ahead and click on Privacy and you can see the private account option. So just go ahead and turn the switch on, and now you want to click switch anyway. So that is how you do it. So with a private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.